Within the open sessions, you can see the video interviews you opened, the number of candidates you invited, the number of candidates who recorded their video, and the days remaining before the closure of the session. Once the session is closed, it will be automatically archived based on the archiving time you have selected. By clicking on one open session, you will see all details. You will see the title, you will see the starting date, you will see the closing date, which you can also modify from the calendar. You can read the message you attached to the invitation and download the session summary in Excel. If you found the right candidate, you can directly close the session from there. By clicking on the plus icon, you can add new candidates to invite new candidates to the session, just by entering their email addresses and some other information, for example, mobile phone and remarks if you need. With that icon, you will delete them. The system tells you that you will pay 1 credit for each candidate. And if you haven't got enough credits, you will be redirected to the shopping cart. At the bottom, you will have the list of the candidates invited and the one or the ones who already recorded their videos. If you need, you can solicit an answer so that the system will send the invitation again. If you click on the bars, you can get the link to copy and paste, for example, in a separate email to invite your candidates separately from the system. So you will have the registration page.